a little work here on our knuckle motor here. Got the reamers out, got my pullers out, got my bushings out. Oh, there's a motor. We're going to take out these bushings and fix them. What do you think?
Loose?
Is that loose?
Oh, is it supposed to be loose like that?
Only if it doesn't work. This one's tighter than that one.
It is.
I was going to replace this one. Look at all the junk that went through it. I lost the motor, the rat crank pin.
Yeah.
This is our pinion bushing down here. A little trash went through it. There's all the railways. Alright. So this is my Jim's Big Twin Puller. Sports to Canberra. Also works on 36 to 54 pinion shaft. When you use the correct teacher machine too. Even that doesn't want to fit in. And bushing's made bigger. Problem is I can't make this any thinner. Aftermarket crap made wrong. That's going to make it hard to do. I hate the Sportster, so it's not even close. Except they're going to make me have to make another one. I hate making real parts. Well, that's going to slow this job down. Oh, I can hear now. It doesn't work on that one. This one here is a big twin fan bearing puller. Otherwise known as a electric start primary. Also. Appears I have some tubes made for these too. Oh, that one does fit.
That one fits.
Oh. Went in like it's supposed to. Socket. Yeah, looks like I'm making specialty tools now. Again. It's always nice when you're going to make more tools.
You sure about that?
Yeah, eventually you don't have to make them anymore.
Wow.
Looks like it's tight in there too. This guy need a puller to get the puller out. Like having stuff that fits.
Moved.
Yeah, I don't want to come out very easy. I got it. I'd have to go to that drawer and pull her out. So. What do you do when you have pullers that don't work?
Try another one.
You mix and match pullers. Oh, you bastard. Oh, you fucking bastards. I think I went in there all the way. Barely. I shortened it up a bunch already. That's how the ends made it. See how thick these are normal?
Yeah.
You looked at the other one, it was only about that thick.
Oh, damn.
And it's in there, but it's not.
Just barely.
There's no clearance in there. I'm not even sure if it's even hooked on that thing all the way in there. It's pushing it.
Oh, we'll find out here in a second.
Yeah, will this go in there or not? Nope. Nope. It's not in there. It's be twin for you. Nice. Yeah. I'm trying to make custom tools all the time. 371. We need something smaller than 371. When you got the smaller than 371, that's we might have lots of different diameters to choose from.
Oh. Still in your secret hiding spot.
Your secret hiding spot, for sure. Okay, where's my puller at? Okay, we got that one on there. Use that washer there. Use this washer there. Get a nut here. I'm thinking that's the wrong nut. What do you think?
Probably.
Let's use this nut here.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need a precision made thing that's less than 371. Where are we going to get that from?
The secret hiding spot.
The secret hiding spot. Need some precision bar stock.
Ooh.
Precision bar stock. Precision bar stock. So
Is that what you call that?
371 is 3/8. Appears to be I'm missing this one. What do we got over here in 377? 368. Nope. $358. 344 is the next one down from that. There we go. So the brass doesn't screw up your tip.
Yeah.
If you hit it with this, it would maybe damage it.
Right. That would make sense.
Maybe damage it. It's not, maybe not all the way, but maybe. This is not the right size now.
Change nuts.
Yeah, the nut's different. The nut behind the counter is different than what the first one was. These are all mixed up now. I hope I can figure out how to make this all work again. What size do you think that is?
A little smaller than that.
A little bit smaller than that one? You like this one here?
No.
This one looks too small.
Yep.
What about this one over here? You like that one?
Close enough.
Now, this is probably not going to work. We're going to see if it will. It did work.
It did.
It did grab a hold of it a little bit.
Wow.
See, the drill's not even all the way in there. It's barely even on it. It's like way over here.
Damn.
And see how much he's shortened up, and he still hit the bottom of the cover because when they bored that hole, they didn't go down deep enough.
Huh.
See the impact mark on that shoulder right there where it's hitting on it?
Yeah.
Give it to good old Taiwan Teddy to make good parts. Now, why does Jim's not offer a tool for doing this? We don't know. See, now we gotta get that precision piece of material out there.
Yeah, how are you gonna do that? Pliers. Yeah.
Another precision piece of material.
Alright.
Now this one could be steel because it's hitting on the other side of the drill. Precision bar stock, remember that.
Precision bar stock. I never would have thought that.
That's why it comes here.
Hey.
Okay, now this goes to the Sportster, right?
Yeah.
And you notice how this is getting all bent up and being jammed in like that too many times?
Yep.
So when you go to put the correct one in there, it doesn't fit, like it's supposed to. See, it's got a big bow in it now.
Yeah.
Guess how many times that's been done before?
Probably quite a few.
Probably more than once, that's why it's bent. Okay, so this one here
The big one.
doesn't fit. So it goes on this one. Okay, then we have the big fat washer over here. We got the spacer washer on there. Now why do you have a spacer washer on there?
I don't know.
The dumbass cut this too short.
I don't know. Let's see.
Because he probably copied the Jim's one. See, I made mine longer and it's still too short.
Ooh.
So remember, next time you make this, make it
A little bit longer.
3/16 longer.
Okay.
Otherwise it won't fit. Okay, so that's that one. Now remember, that's for inner primary, not for big twin cam bearing.
Got it.
And the Sportster inner cam bearing tool is not made for knuckleheads either. But we're going to have to remake this tool again down the road, but not today. Because today we're able to butcher it and make do without doing it the hard way. The hard way would make another tool, because that would take probably another hour. It's cold in here, I don't feel like doing it.
Alright.
Alright, so there's that one. Now we got the one locking pin we're going to have to receive and use. Now how do you get that pin out of there?
Specialty tool.
Specialty tool.
Look at that.
And this one over here. That one isn't very tight. You know what the bad part of this is? These are supposed to be a 1/4 inch tall.
I think it's really a 1/4 inch tall.
I only think it's 3/16 tall. It's 867 tall. I think my battery's going bad on this thing again.
Already?
When you get stupid numbers like this, usually means bad battery. It's not flashing like it's a bad battery.
All else fails, beat it.
When it goes plus negative, that's not a good sign.
No.
That means we got some issues here going on with it. Yeah. I think Mr. Absolute's having a problem. Battery fell out. I don't like touching the battery because it makes some bad connection. Okay, we're doing a reboot. It says 192 millimeter. Is that 119 millimeter?
I don't think so.
Oh. Might be an error in there.
Something. You have a 0 out button.
Origin button. Problems I can't reach it.
Ta-da.
Be back.